Hi guys, welcome to Print Right. I'm your host Anveer, and today we are doing a video of a CMYK print, just CMYK print, nothing else. It is a quick CMYK print. So guys, let's start it. And before starting, you might be seeing I'm wearing a cool grey color cap with a helmet t-shirt with a smoky grey color. If you have not seen this video, the link is given in the description. Please go and check this video. And don't forget to like and share, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for faster notification. And if you want to start printing business, you want equipments, machines, materials, call the number given in the screen, and for further details, please visit our website printright.com. So guys, without any delay, let's do this video. So guys, print is done. You can see how vibrant it came. Beautiful print. Great 80 size plus print. So guys, this is a normal demonstration. For just fun, we have done the printing. So that's it we need to show you. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. And any other queries, call us and visit our website. So till then, Ranveer is signing off. As I always say, stay tuned, see you soon, and stay safe.